Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install SPSS software. So SPSS actually it stands for uh, Statistical Package for Social Science. So I have several versions. So I'm going to install 23rd version. Just double click on this folder. So you will have this one. So once again, double click. So you will find the setup file, right? Or setup folder. So just double click in the setup folder, scroll down. So here you will find the setup. Okay, just double click in the setup and wait. It will take some time. It depends on your PC's criteria configuration. So no worries if it's slow in your PC. So don't worry, right? So we need to wait sometimes. By the way, right now uh, it's asking for allow, right? To allow, just yes. Okay, it's already starting, preparing to install. So it's installing. Right now it's a license materials. Just click OK. So I have a user license, right? Just click next. And I need to accept the importance or the license agreement. Click next. Organization, say for example, Brachio. Next. So if you would like to install other language rather than the English, then you can select from this language, right? Otherwise, if you would like to install the English version, so just click next. Here, SPSS is asking you, would you like to install the JAWS? JAWS, it means for the blind researcher or blind analyst, uh, right, who are physically blind. They use basically the JAWS software, so we don't need to install the JAWS software. If anyone needs this, just click yes. So SPSS, right now SPSS is asking, would you like to install the Python Essential? We just write yes. Okay, next. Accept, next, accept, next. You can change the directory actually, right? But I'm going to install the SPSS software in my C drive. So here, just click next. And right now, install. So it will take some time. So no worries. Once again, it depends on your PC, laptops configuration, basically based on RAM, processor, right? So no worries. It takes several time, different time for different installation. I mean, different uh, laptop or desktop, right? So no worries, just wait. Okay, all the Python's libraries already installed. Right now, please, okay. So here at the very end of the session, you will find, would you like to register in online? So we deselect this option because we would not like to register online. Just click OK. So now the installation procedure will ask you for uh, license key, right? So as we have the license key, just select this option, license my product key, and click next. Then you need to provide the license. For security purpose, actually here I have the license. For security purpose, actually I will hide the license or serial key, right? Because it's my personal. So by the way, this one, double click here. So you will find the security key is in here, copy, and here paste the file and click next. Next is done. Okay, so IBM statistics actually asking you after installation, would you like to restart the PC? Actually, it's a good practice to restart the computer, right? Okay, but I'm not just restarting this one. So you can make a restart. Okay, just I'm clicking no. So here you will find the SPSS statistics 23rd version. On the other hand, if you go here, so just write SPSS. Here you will find the option, right? So click here, or from the desktop you can double click. So at the very first time when you will open the SPSS file or SPSS software, at the very first time it will take some time. Okay, so no worries. So right now the IBM SPSS statistics version 23rd is opening. So after opening the SPSS 23rd version, you will get this interface. So at the very first time, you don't need to do something in this interface. Just click the cross sign or click here cancel. So this is the interface. Actually, here you will find the menu bar. Here are some ribbons. Here are two options, data view and variable view, right? So this is the interface actually. So it's working and it's the licensed version right now. So you can do any types of analysis. By the way, enjoy SPSS. Okay, bye bye.